What's going on, everyone? Tech Tosh at you guys with another video. This one's gonna be a quick one, guys. This is an unboxing of a case I got for my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I always say Galaxy S10 Plus, but for my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, I've seen a few reviews on YouTube. They're kind of were shitty quality, so I figured I'd try to get a better quality one of this case, like a $12, $13 case. It's supposed to be a little more protective than my previous case, which is just a simple clear back with black edges, which did the job as far as a little bit of protection, stopping the scratches on the back of the glass and being able to show that sexy rainbowish color on the phone. But this one is kind of the same, I guess, as far as being see-through on the back, but it has a little bit more protection, and it is by POETIC, and I got it off Amazon like everything. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what this looks like up close in a detailed view. So as you can see, it's got the translucent back. Obviously, if you got the Aurora Glow version, you got to get some form of translucent back. And it's got that blue, try to get that focus for you guys. Blue trimming. They got like 3 different colorways. I think it's like pink, green, and blue. Obviously, I am gonna go blue. I feel like that matches better with the Aurora Glow. Another reason why I kind of picked this one, because of this right here. It does cover the charger port, so when I do have my phone in my pocket at work, it's not gathering lint all up inside. So, and it seemed pretty slim. I didn't want nothing crazy bulky. It's a little bit bulkier than obviously my previous case I just showed you, but it is a 2-piece. You gotta peel off the back, the black rubber, and then the top face front will come off. Make sure you clean all the smudges off. Now, the one thing I did hear a lot about this case, as you can see already right off the jump, it is a fingerprint magnet, and I just barely touched it. So if that's gonna bother you, this might not be the case for you, but I feel like that's the case with any clear back. I haven't seen a clear back phone yet that doesn't leave smudges, so something you just kind of got to deal with. Snap the front on first. Now I got to re-clean it because I touched it. Make sure there's no fingerprints on the inside. Make sure all the edges are secured. Alright, so first hand impressions, it is not as bulky as I thought it was going to be in the pictures. So it feels pretty good in the hands, honestly. It looks a lot bigger and bulkier in pictures, but I will say, obviously it has a little bit more width, but it feels pretty good. I like it. The blue accent is nice though. It's got a nice lippage, if that's a word, for the front and top of the phone. So when you set it down on its face end, you're not going to scratch up the screen. But with any $1,000 phone, you should have a screen protector on it regardless. Obviously nothing on the right because there's no buttons on the right side of the phone. The bottom, got a little bit of coverage for the S Pen. You got a little lip there. That's actually a pretty hefty lip. I mean, it doesn't stop you from grabbing the S Pen. It's still pretty easy to push the S Pen out and then just grab it like that. So, I mean, that's not an issue. I guess it helps if you drop it on the bottom. You're not going to scratch up the S Pen. You can see it's pretty deep where the speaker grill is. Nothing's going to get scratched dropping it on the bottom, but I guess dust can collect in there and it's going to be a little bit harder to clean it. Probably need a Q-tip or whatnot. The one thing I said I did like about this case, it does cover the charger port, but it looks pretty easy as far as being able to plug your charger in there, no problem. Lines up pretty well with everything. So obviously you got the mic hole there. You get the power button and the volume rockers. As you can hear, it's pretty easy to click. Nice touch, doesn't feel stiff. Some cases are stiff because of all the plastic it has, but pushes in pretty easy. You can see on the edges here, nice little cover on the edges. It's a little bit thicker on the tops and bottom. Got the blue trimming in the front. Looks clean, guys. First impressions are a thumbs up. I do like it. The one thing that is obviously going to get annoying, but something you got to deal with this phone, is the fingerprints. Got blue trimming on the bottom. POETIC. Got some pretty decent coverage on the camera, so setting it on the back side, you're not gonna scratch the screen, the lens on the camera. Alright, so this case will also still offer wireless charging. That doesn't stop it from happening. I'll just show you guys. I don't have any wireless charging banks, but I will show you that the headsets will still wirelessly charge. Hold on. Flip it over. This light on the front's gonna light up. And as you can see, the red light is charging my headsets. So yes, wireless charging still works with the case. Thought this case came with a screen protector, so if you read some of the reviews, it does say something about it. It might be about another case, because sometimes they do combine the reviews. It did not come with a screen protector. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked that video and I was able to help you guys out. If you're interested in getting this case, I'll leave the link down below. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if I did help you out. Hit that subscribe button for more content. With that said, y'all, I'm out. Stay nerdy. Peace.